class. My name is Jason Woolard, and this is my screencast for the Project 1 review in SDI Term 1209. Some problems that I've actually faced this week during this project were substituting variables in the console lines. Now what I mean by that is, see here I have Jason as my variable name, and down here I had Jason. I had trouble doing different variables at the beginning of each line. For instance, in the live chat, the teacher, Mr. Lee, had variables at the end of the line. He would put, for instance, for name, it would be plus name rather than just Jason down here. I could not figure out how to do that at the beginning of each line. I'm still having trouble doing that, but after reviewing some of your guys' videos, I've actually have pretty confidence in submitting my work, having it complete properly, that is. Some things that I discovered and actually found very neat were the several different things you can do with the if and then statements. Now, for example, in my story, I have a variable my cash. I had $10 in my pocket, and down here, my cash, it reads if my cash doesn't equal $60, and the console would print this out, as opposed if I did have $60 on me, it would print this out. And I just found that very unique, that you're pretty much able to customize it to any variable or anything that you have set up, which definitely makes me feel accomplished, and I'm definitely learning something here in this project. Now, speaking of if and then statements, I felt that knowing some Visual Basic 6 from the past definitely helped me out as far as getting my story into JavaScript format, as opposed to some of you that I read that actually had a lot of trouble with that. The lessons learned here will not only help me in the future projects of this course, but I feel throughout my mobile development degree. You know, whether it would be in the future mobile application projects or web development that we actually do here. I feel that it gives me a different approach on accomplishing new tasks in the future. I feel that JavaScript is so, very interesting actually. It's a little bit hard to get used to at first, but once you get down the if and then statements from there, I felt that everything was pretty basic. I chose my main theme from a story that I actually had from when I was working at a golf course, and I guess I say I had an issue with my alarm clock, and I guess you can just say check your PM and AM setting before you set your alarm next time. That'll definitely help. It's more of a personal story as well as a lesson. So I hope you enjoyed my screencast, and I look forward to looking over some of yours.